What's up, everyone? If you're thinking about getting hosting and you want to make sure you're not leaving money on the table, this video is literally made for you. I've been using Hostinger for over 7 years now, and I've hosted a bunch of tool websites on it, so I know this platform inside and out. Let me start with a quick story. When I first signed up, I used the coupon code HE10 and got 10% off. Honestly, I was pretty happy with that, but then I discovered that Hostinger has referral links that unlock a 20% discount automatically, and I had absolutely no idea that's a full 10% more savings that I missed out on, and I don't want that to happen to you. So here's exactly what you need to do. Scroll down to the description of this video right now. Go ahead, I'll wait. You'll find my referral links organized by country, with each one set to your local language and currency. Click yours, and you'll land directly on Hostinger's official site with the discount already loaded in for you. No stress, no hunting around. From there, the experience is really straightforward. Hit the navbar, go to products and services, and you'll see the full lineup of everything Hostinger offers. The beautiful thing about using my referral link is that the 20% applies to every single plan, nothing is excluded. Today I'm walking you through the VPS section because that's what powers my tools right now. There are 4 plans to choose from, KVM1 all the way up to KVM4, and I'm picking KVM2 for this demo. It's a great middle ground option. Head to checkout and you'll see the 20% discount sitting there automatically. No code needed, nothing to remember. Just one golden tip to wrap things up. Use a brand new email address when you register, one that's never been linked to a Hostinger account before. This ensures the referral discount applies perfectly every single time. Alright, if this saved you some cash or cleared things up for you, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more helpful stuff coming your way.